I'm Lana from Otago Museum in Dunedin, home to 1.5 million objects, and Tahura, this absolutely amazing interactive science centre. Today we have Andrew teaching us how to make fabulous flying paper planes, not like the one I just made. Come on, take it away, Andrew.
Thanks, Lana. Have you ever wondered how to make the perfect paper plane? Today, we're going to learn the 4 forces of flight and how we can use them to create a high-flying paper airplane. But what is a force? A force is an invisible push or pull against an aircraft like I have here today. But what are the 4 forces of flight?
Thrust pushes the plane forward. In an everyday plane, the engines create thrust pushing the plane forward. In my case, with this paper plane, I'm going to use my arm. The harder I throw it, the more thrust I'm creating.
Drag. Drag works in the opposite direction to thrust. It slows objects down. Nothing demonstrates drag more than the wind. If you throw a paper plane into the wind, it goes slowly. If you throw it with the wind, it goes faster.
Gravity. Gravity pulls objects down to Earth. All objects have a centre of gravity in which they balance on. Try adding a paper clip to the front or to the back of the aeroplane to see how it changes the performance.
Lift is really what makes planes fly. As air comes in contact with the surface of an object, it likes to follow the shape. So if we fold the tip of our wings up, we can make the plane rise, and if we fold the tip of the wing down, it'll nosedive.
Now that you know the 4 forces of flight, see what combination of thrust, drag, gravity, and lift you can use to create the perfect flying airplane.
Thanks, Andrew. That was great. I've always wanted to learn more about aerodynamics. So for loads more science fun, come along to Otago Museum in Dunedin. We have New Zealand's biggest science centre. There's a 3-storey slide, a bike riding skeleton, and an indoor tropical forest with exotic rainforest butterflies. Come along, we'll see you soon.